Entrance to Busch Gardens Williamsburg. Take you on a walking tour, walking directions on how to get from the entrance to Busch Gardens Williamsburg to Apollo's Chariot. So you can follow our lead and get a POV 5K. So what we do first, you get to this main part where you can go right, straight, or left. We're gonna veer to the left. I'm gonna speed it up and just follow my lead, follow our lead. Yeah. Escape from Pompeii. You'll pass that on your right. Keep walking. You're gonna go across the bridge. And here we are at Apollo's Chariot. Go up the bridge. Basically just veer to the left the whole time. Get you on right POV here.
If you're scared of roller coasters, just get on. Because after you're done, you'll see how big of a scaredy cat you were. Just get on.
That's his words. There we go. He's getting on. He's getting on now. There we go. We got Apollo's Chariot. 5.3K. Summer 2025. Busch Gardens Williamsburg. You walk 4 feet. Who was that parking lot?
I did on Alpha, guys.
So we went to that one, see where with the round car. Have you done that yet?
I ain't getting wet.
Stop crying all the time.
I'm not crying.
Yep.
See tears in my eyes.
I will in a minute.
I think I did cry a little bit. I don't like people saying, no.
I love this stuff.
Why? I would like to apologize if I curse a little bit.
Your hair! That was awesome.
Oh, I did cry a little bit.
I told you you were gonna cry a little bit. That's right. Huh?
Chariot opened in 1999.
That was good.
This is famous when Fabio got hit by a bird.
Let's see this. The front.
It is Apollo's Chariot, Busch Gardens Williamsburg. 5.3K. Like